Usain Bolt. This name is known to almost the entire world because no one has been able to match his speed on a racetrack. He has retired now, but he is still considered as the greatest sprinters of all times because his timing on the track still remains unbeaten. Yes, he is arguably the fastest man in the world. Bolt was born in Sherwood, a small town in Jamaica, where his parents ran a grocery store. He had a brother and a sister, and he spent majority of his time playing cricket and football in the street with his brother. He said, "When I was young, I didn't really think about anything other than sports." During his childhood days, Bolt went to Valencia Primary, where he began showing his sprint potential. By the time he turned 12-year-old, he had become the fastest runner over the 100-meter distance in school. Bolt continued playing other sports, but one day his cricket coach noticed his speed on the pitch and urged him to try track and field events. Ever since, there was no looking back. During that time, he was trained by Pablo McNeil, a former Olympic sprint athlete, and Dwayne Jarrett in order to improve his athletic abilities. Bolt is one of only 9 athletes to win world championship at the youth, junior and senior level of an athletic event. He may be the fastest sprinter, but he also has a great interest in cricket. And as a child, he was a supporter of the Pakistan cricket team. He was a huge fan of the former Pakistani pacer Waqar Yunis. Bolt once said, "If I were not a sprinter, I would be a fast bowler." Apart from being an Olympic medal winner, he is also an 11-time world champion. Bolt's accomplishments have made him the first man in history to set 3 world records in a single Olympic Games competition, and no one has been able to beat his track record till date. He is that kind of man who broke his own world records on several occasions. In an interview with BBC Sports, he said, "I am trying to be one of the greatest to be among Muhammad Ali and Pele. I have made the sport exciting. I have made people want to see the sport. I have put the sport on a different level." He is the fastest man alive. Just so you know, Bolt is a world record holder in 100 meters, 200 meters and 4 into 100 meters relay. He is also the only sprinter to win Olympic gold medals in 100 meter, 200 meter at consecutive Olympics in 2008, 2012 and 2016. He made history more than once or twice, but the most memorable win of his was recorded at the 2008 Beijing Summer Olympics, where he broke the world record and completed the 100-meter race in just 9.69 seconds. He not only set the record without a favorable wind, but he also showed down to celebrate before he finished, and his shoelace was untied. He went on to win 3 gold medals and break 3 world records in Beijing. That is when he was nicknamed the Lightning Bolt. He currently holds 19 Guinness World Records to his name, which is damn impressive to say the least. But that doesn't mean that he didn't have hardship and battles to fight for his own. For the first time since 2007, Bolt couldn't win the gold medal at the World's Athletics Championship in 2017. He won the bronze behind Christian Coleman and Justin Gatlin, who took home the silver and the gold respectively. Even during the 4 into 100 meter relay, which many believe to be his final race, Bolt collapsed from hamstring injury and ended up crossing the finish line with the help of his teammates. As mentioned earlier, Bolt was keen on playing football, and in an interview with The Guardian in November 2016, Bolt said, "I wish to play as a professional footballer after retiring from athletics. For me, if I could get to play for Manchester United, that would be like a dream come true. Yes, that would be epic." He tried making a career in football after retiring from the track field by participating in friendly matches against amateur clubs, but nothing really worked out. Finally, in January 2019, Bolt announced that he would not be pursuing a career in football, saying his sports life is over. This man raised the bar for athletics to the next level, and we respect that about him. He continues to be an inspiration for many. He has retired, but he has his own website dedicated to clothing, sports, equipment, and footwear. Great salute to such an all time great player